Hello, little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter 16, India Wins Freedom. So in this chapter, I will tell you about coming of Gandhiji, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, non-cooperation movement, other movements, क्या-क्या reforms हुए थे, right? So let's talk about the coming of Gandhiji. So during the World War first, what happened? British took advantage of Indians and they adopted what? Policy of suppression. And it was during this period that lawyers returned back to his country from South Africa. He had lived here about 20 years and fought for the oppression of the blacks and the Indians by the whites. His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He had his own way of fighting. ज्यादातर जो नॉन वायलेंट मतलब बिना लड़ाई झगड़े पीसफुली वो करते थे लड़ाई. So after Gandhiji came to India, he visited various parts of the country to see the plight of Indians. वो क्या क्या देखते हैं? Poverty, hunger and disease. And he saw the way in which Indians were being suppressed on their own motherland. So he could not bear the condition of the people and decided to participate in Indian struggle. और उन्होंने क्या decide करा कि हम participate करते हैं Indian freedom struggle में. He also realized the social evil existing in the Indian society. They deal with both side by side. He knew that the unity of the country was strongest weapon. उन्हें लगा कंट्री की यूनिटी होगी ना वो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वेपन होगा अगेंस्ट द फॉरेन रूल. उन्होंने भी देखा कि जो लोग थे इंडिया के दे वर नॉट यूनाइटेड. गांधीजी अपील टू द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया टू फॉरगेट देयर बैरियर्स ऑफ कास्ट केस्ट रिलीजन. ही वाज वेरी सैड टू सी द कंडीशन ऑफ वुमेन फर्स्ट. इन्होंने वॉइस रेज करी फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ द बैकवर्ड क्लासेस एंड ही showed his vision of freedom. Now the British were the hassle in their rule and they made the strict laws which took away almost all the liberty from the people. People were arrested at the most negligible of things. They were punished severely. People had no right to express their views. उनके पास कोई right नहीं था. वो अपने views को express नहीं करते थे. And Indian thought that these rules would be withdrawn after the war. But actually what happened? British had strength their hold even further. So they made even severe laws and Indians were being jailed even without being tried in court. They called them black laws. Now people protested peacefully, but the British took it to be the challenge and the procession and meetings were disturbed and even what happened, women and children were lathi charged. The rule of the British was becoming cruel each passing day. We have Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Prominent था जो ब्रिटिश क्रुएल्टी हमें देखने को मिली. 20,000 of people including women and children were attending a peaceful meeting when the British officer ने क्या करा मीटिंग को डिस्टर्ब करना चाहा and they also proved the authority of the Indians. So all exits were blocked by the soldier General Dyer और उन्होंने क्या ऑर्डर करवाया? Fire at free will. And they were no way to escape and thousands of innocent men, women, children become victims. फिर नॉन कॉपरेशन आती है. नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. द एंटायर कंट्री वाज शेकन. पीपल बिकम मोर डिटरमाइंड टू फाइट विद द फॉरेन. दे बिगिन नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. दे डिक्लेयर दैट दे वुड नो लॉन्गर कॉपरेट विद द गवर्नमेंट. और उन्होंने क्या करा? लॉस तोड़ने स्टार्ट करे. थाउजेंड्स जॉइंड दिस मूवमेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज ऑल लेफ्ट देयर वर्क एंड एक्टिवली टेक पार्ट इन द मूवमेंट. And what government did? The government did its best to suppress and people were opting violence. This incident हुआ चौरा चौरी उत्तर प्रदेश में जिसमें 20 पुलिसमैन डाइड. ठीक है, आग लगा दी गई थी और ये वायलेंट मॉब था. और जो नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट थी वो सबसे सक्सेसफुल भी रही. सो गांधी जी वॉज पेन्ड बाय दिस बिहेवियर ऑफ इंडियंस एंड ही डिड नॉट लाइक द वायलेंस एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू विदड्रॉ नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. और गांधी जी ने क्या करा? नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट को विदड्रॉ कर लिया. सो गांधी जी colleague thought that it was not right to stop the movement all over on his decision. And he was extremely जो strongly किसमें believe कर रहे थे? Violence पे. And they have no answer to violence. So the non-cooperation movement brought many leaders to the forefront of Indian freedom struggle. Some of them were Rajendra Prasad, Motilal Nehru, Chittaranjan Das, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Muhammad Ali, Saukar Ali, Maulana Abdul Azad Kalam and C. Rajagopalachari और सरोजनी. फिर कुछ अदर मूवमेंट थी. इन द ईयर 1928 सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल led the freedom struggle of the freedom against the British Raj at Bardoli. These movement of the Indians made British to make certain changes in the administration. And what happened? The Simon Commission was set up under Sir Simon and no Indians was on the commission. The people of India demonstrated and Gandhi ji asked Sir Simon to go back to the country immediately. कि आप वापस जाओ. Once again, the freedom movement becomes stronger. In the year 1929, what happened? INC had its session at Lahore, now in Pakistan, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was elected because it was decided in this session that India was serious to get its independence. India क्या है serious है अपने independence के लिए, and this meant that the Indians would accept nothing short to complete independence. And it was decided that Satyagraha movement be started. So Satyagraha means peaceful insistence on the right demands of the people and sacrifice everything for the sake of truth. So then meeting and procession demonstration हुआ, बहुत चीजों का boycott हुआ, and once again Gandhi ji led this movement and he marched to the foot from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to the seashore of the village Dandi. He traveled 300 kilometers to break the salt law. This law prohibited people to collect or make salt from sea. Thousands of followers marched with him. Gandhiji broke this law and thousands of follow him by doing so. Leader of the people. People, young and old, women and children all followed Gandhiji to crush Indian movement. Countless people died and thousands were jailed and jail were overflowing. इस movement के spread होने से क्या हुआ? Wildfire हुआ to all the parts of country. Abdul Ghaffar Khan led this movement in the northwestern part of India, and in the northeast it was led by Rani Gadunli of Nagaland. South of India, this movement was led by Chakravarti Rajagopalachari and spread even to the princely states of India. Gandhiji laid stretch on Indians use Swadeshi goods which were in our country. At Mahatma Gandhi made spinning yarn a part of freedom movement, and this yarn was spun on a charkha and a spinning wheel. People began to use clothes which was made up of wheel. People began to use cloth जो आपको हैंडलूम में यूज कर रहे थे. Khadi become a symbol of freedom movement. Small articles like chalk, paper, matches and other articles they were being produced in the India. Reforms होता है 1935 में. The British government made few reforms and they gave more freedom to the people of India to rule themselves. Government were made to be formed in the province. People were free to choose their representative. ये free थे कि आप अपने representative को अपने हिसाब से choose कर सकते हो. Congress was not satisfied with the reforms, yet it decided to take part in election to give new reforms a try. Congress won this election and formed the government. फिर World War II हो जाता है. So meanwhile in 1939 World War II broke out. England had to join the war and it was forced to join the war without talking to the Indian leaders. So as you all know कि जो Indians है they did not like the things and the Congress government in the state resigned. तो कांग्रेस क्या कर लेता है? रिजाइन कर लेता है और 1942 में World War II become more intense. Indians were now hungry for freedom. वो freedom चाहते थे and the British paid no need. And it was then the Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi started the movement जिसका नाम है Quit India Movement. And the movement asked the British to leave India and leave Indians to sort out their problems. So it meant that either the Indians win their freedom nor they die. So continuation of the revolutionary movement. So we have read about the revolutionary. They are people who did not believe in a peaceful struggle. जो peaceful struggle में believe नहीं करते. Many Indians heroes took part in Indian struggle. Like we have Bhagat Singh, Ram Prasad Bismillah, Rajguru, Asfallah Chandrasekhar Azad, or Sita Ramanji. So Indian National Army, yet another man who took active part, and he was Subhash Chandra Bose. He waged war from outside India. और ये prominent Congress leader थे, and he was elected twice the president of Indian National Congress. He was imprisoned by the British, but managed to escape. He reached Germany via Afghanistan, and from there he went to Japan, and he also went to Singapore and Malaysia in 1943. और ये क्या बन गए? Commander in Chief बन गए Indian National Army के. The army was formed to free India. We have Jai Hind or Delhi Chalo were the famous slogan. The Quit India Movement और जो INA, that is Indian National Army थी, it made the British realize that there was no match to the power and determination of India. India become free. 1945 में क्या होता है? India free हो जाता है and the British was agreed to free India, and 15th August 1947 India came to end. And we have read about the divide and rule policy of the British. They continue this mean and shellfish policy and succeed in dividing the country. And the country was divided into India and Pakistan. Both after the independence, Indians set up the states where people irrespective, वो अलग-अलग caste के थे, and they all lived over here. So this was all in this chapter. Now we are going to start with the exercise. Take the correct option. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in 1990. Mahatma Gandhi stayed in South Africa for almost 20 years. The DAS incidents was led by General Dyer, that is Jallianwala Bagh. World War Second broke out in 1939 and Quit India movement was led by, now fill in the blanks. The dash incident was led by General Dyer. कौन सा था? Many deaths died in Chora Chori incident. Many policemen died. Gandhiji went to attain freedom through dash means non-violence. Gandhiji asked Indian to use dash good. Swadeshi. India attained freedom the dash of August 1946. 15th of August. Now matches the following: Quit India movement, British to leave India, black laws. Black law means arrest without law. Dandi March, civil disobedience movement. Subhash Chandra Bose, Indian National Army, non-cooperation, Chauri Chauri. So write T for true and F for false statement. Gandhiji was a lawyer. The Indians were being suppressed by British. It's true. The British were never harsh in their false. Gandhiji devoted his time in the problems and educated people about non-violence. It's true. Gandhiji welcomed Civil Commission. False. Now answer the following question. Why did Gandhiji after his arrival from Africa visit to various parts? कि लोगों की कंडीशन को देखना चाहते थे कि लोग कैसे पुअर हैं, कैसे वो डिसअपॉइंट हो रहे हैं. Which weapon did Gandhiji feel was against the British rule? Violence. What happened did Gandhiji make to the people of India? What appeal did the Gandhiji make to the people of India? क्या अपील करते हैं? What do you think it was right or not? What happened at Chora Chori Mutiny? पुलिस स्टेशन को जला दिया गया था and 20 policemen died over here. What was the aim of salt सत्याग्रह? India को free कर. Right? So this was all in this chapter. Now we meet in the next class. Thanks.